So guys, for the first method, once you find your video file, you want to right click on it and then click on open with. You can now try to open it with something else, such as 0xc Media Player or Windows Media Player Legacy. And if you're not using Films and TV, you can try with that. However, I recommend going with 0xc Media Player. I'll leave a link down below in the description to download it. For the second method, I'll leave another link down below in the description to Cloud Convert. You just want to convert your file. So for convert, for the first one, you want to select MP4. And then 2, you can select MP4 MOV. You most likely want to do MP4, so you can select that. Now it's going to be saying MP4 to MP4, which is fine. Now you want to click on select file. You now want to find your video file on your computer, which you now add it to here. Now you want to click on convert. It's now going to convert your file. Once that's been fully done, you can now download your file again, see if that works for you. For the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan. Now and click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restore your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.